Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to this brand new Google Pixel 8. Powerful in every way, helpful in every day. This device looks really cool. We have fast charging all-day battery we can count on. Durable materials make scratches and spills no big deal anymore. We have fresh modern design with a satin finish. Yes, the power and the brains behind the Pixel 8 are really cool because the new Google Tensor G3 chip is custom designed with Google Artificial Intelligence for cutting-edge photos and video features and smarter ways to help throughout the day. And it makes pixels super fast and efficient. And every moment even better than we can remember it. The fully upgraded Pixel 8 camera uses Google AI to help us create memorable photos and videos day or night. The Pixel camera records smooth videos with stunning resolution and clear audio, even in crowded, dimly lit places. And super resolution zoom on the Pixel camera lets us get super sharp close-ups without an extra telephoto lens. Tiny details, epic photos, none with the macro photos. The Pixel 8 camera reveals vivid colors and striking contrast in even the smallest subjects. And we have brilliant photos, dusk to dawn. The Pixel camera uses night sight to create vibrant photos of everything from city lights to starry skies. And stunning photos come standard. The HDR Plus on the Pixel camera makes photos look better by automatically adjusting for color and lighting. And with real tone, different skin tones are represented authentically. We can edit photos and videos just like we need it. With the help of the Google AI, we can remove distractions, add custom edits, and more with just a few taps. For example, group pics, perfect. We did someone blink or look away. Pixel's best take the combine similar photos into one fantastic pictures. And we use Magic Editor in Google Photos to add custom edits and studio quality enhancements to any photo. Improve lighting and background, move the subject, and more with just a few tabs. And of course, on top, we have Audio Magic Eraser that uses Google AI to reduce the distracting sounds like cars and wind, so we can hear the ones we want. And it saves time and get more done, because it's an everyday helper. The build with Google AI, the Pixel 8, makes it even easier to search, screen calls, connect in new languages, and more. And super easy way to search with the circle to search anything right from the app. We are in app Pixel 8. We just draw a circle around an image, text or video with that finger, and the Google AI fits it. Fast, of course. And we can translate on the spot. And goodbye spam calls. Google AI makes our favorite apps even better with that. And. There are a big bunch of possibilities. And the Pixel 8 comes in Hazel, Mint, Obsidian, or Rose colors. We have an actual display, full screen, 6.2 inches, with 20:9 aspect ratio. 1080 to 2400 resolution. It's an OLED panel with 428 ppi, smooth display, 60 up to 120 Hz. We have Corning Gorilla Glass fixtures, cover glass. We have an always-on display with a little glance and now playing function, and up to 1400 nits HDR and up to 2000 nits peak brightness. Wow, 1 million to 1 contrast radio and HDR support. Full 24-bit depth for 16 million colors. 5.9 height, 2.8 wide, 0.4 depth. In inches. 150.5 height, 70.8 wide, 8.9 depth in millimeters. 187 grams, that are 6.6 pounds. And 24 hours plus battery life. up to 72 hours battery life with extreme battery saver. And we have a typical 4575 milliampere hour battery. Ooh, and fast charging, fast wireless charging, G35. And we can choose battery share. We have 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. All this brings us the cool and nice looking Google Pixel 8. This is a good smartphone for everyday use. Pixel 8. Ooh, that looks cool.